Hello investors, my name is Dahan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 potential altcoins to buy on the dip. So right now in the past 24 hours, the market is heating up. It is up about 6.59%. Top gainers in the past 24 hours, we have Ample4th Governance Token. This one is up about 41% right now. Highest volume, obviously, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading at around 34,431. As you guys can see, actually, since our previous video on Sunday, we saw a rally. Literally right after I uploaded the video, we continue to see this rally. So Bitcoin is up about 4.5%. Ethereum is almost trading at 2,000 again, up about 5.3%. We have Binance pretty much flat. Cardano is up about 2% or so. Doge is up 3.75%. Ripple is up about 2%. And most of these other coins are trading either flat or up to 5% or so. And then we have some huge coins like here, Internet Computer. Did we not talk about this coin yesterday on Sunday? Do you guys remember this? I talked about Internet Computer in our video. And you guys can, check this one out and see that we talked about this one. It was trading around $30 or $35, I believe, if you look at yesterday's video. So that's why you don't want to miss out on our videos, guys. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time we make a new video so you don't miss out on potential gains like this. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, guys. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you buying right now? So if you watched yesterday's video, like we said, Internet Computer was trading around $35 at that point. Now we're at $45.52. The coin is up 52% in the past 24 hours. So massive gains on this coin, guys. Very interesting to see how the market is performing. Very interesting to see how we're going to continue to, move going forward into this weekend. Obviously, over the weekend, we were getting a little bit scared that we were going to be seeing a sell-off going into Friday night and Saturday, obviously. But we, traded pretty flat. And then Sunday, we continue to see an uptrend, which is a positive sign. And now as we get into Monday, we're seeing this continuation. So obviously, this week, we're going to be looking for maybe a potential bull run start. Maybe if we can, get Bitcoin back up above that 40,000 area and Ethereum over that 2,400, 2,500 area, it would be really, nice to see another rally in the bull market. So obviously, guys, let's get into this altcoin list. So the number one coin on the list is going to be VeChain. So VET. This one is up about 2.9%. It was trading down here at around 7 cents, 0.0716. Now trading at 0.0765. And in the past week, obviously, this one's down 22%. In the past month, 37%. And then on the 1 year chart, that coin is still up over 800% as it was trading at around 0.0088. A year ago, we went to highs up here of over 27, 28 cents almost. And then obviously, we continue to see this pullback going into the past month or so. Now, the market cap on VeChain right now is at 4.9 billion. So there's a lot of room for, growth in the future. Volume in the past 24 hours at 518.7 million. Obviously, VeChain is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform focused on some supply chain management. It allows manufacturers to add sensors such as RFID tags to their products that can then record data onto the VeChain blockchain. So a very interesting, altcoin to be keeping on your radar pretty much for the future, as it is still, in the beginning phase right there with the market cap only being at 4.9 billion. I would not be surprised to see this one trading at around, close to 50 cents possibly in the next, 5 to 10 years, maybe even higher than that, possibly even $1 or so. That would be like the main target that we're going to be looking for with VeChain. But VeChain is definitely an interesting coin that, to keep on your radar to see how it's going to perform in the future as well. And now we get into the second altcoin. This one has a market cap of 4.6 billion, so a lot of low market caps, and that's definitely what we want to see because they give us more potential for, a double, triple, quadruple, or even, a sextuple or even higher, guys. So this one right here, 0.0646. It was trading at around 0.0613 at the beginning of or mid Sunday here. It's up about 2% in the past week. This coin is down about 5% or so on the 1 month chart. The coin is down about 18%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, the coin's up over 308% as it was trading at around 0.0158. And then we hit highs here, obviously at the peak when Bitcoin peaked as well at around 18 cents per coin. So since then, we made a serious pullback of over 60, 70% or so. Consolidation period here. Market cap, like we said, at 4.7 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours is around 820 million. And then obviously TRX or Tronix is a cryptocurrency running on the Tron blockchain. Its goal is to create a decentralized internet. So that is what this coin is doing. So Tron is definitely another interesting coin that I've been keeping on my radar, obviously, as it is a very cheap coin, just like VeChain. And we like to look at these cheap coins because they have more potential to run in the future. and they tend to pop, quickly because the market cap is so low. So it doesn't take as much, to push these coins up higher. And then obviously, as we see these, large cap coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum trend on higher, these altcoins tend to move up higher quicker. But obviously, when Bitcoin and the large cap coins tend to go down, the altcoins tend to go down even harder. So it's always, whichever way we're going to the extreme. So they don't know how to keep it calm. They either go crazy high or crazy low. There's no medium speed on altcoins, and that's where you can make some decent gains, but you can also lose a lot depending on what your level of investing is and what you're prepared to lose or gain. Obviously, the risk versus reward is definitely there. It's not like the stock market where you're going to gain a couple percent a year. In crypto space, you can gain hundreds of percents in a week, or you could lose hundreds of percents in a week as well. So definitely an interesting thing to see how it's performing, guys, in the next few years. Now, the third altcoin is going to be EOS. Another very low market cap, only 3.4 billion market cap on this coin. Is trading at $3.75. It's up about 3%. Now, this one was trading around $3.49 earlier, and we saw this, crazy run in the past few hours going into Sunday night. So, this is going to be a great way to start a new week. So, in the past week, it is down about 17%. On the 1 month chart, down 46%. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is only up about 58% right now. It was trading at $2.37. Here, this is when we had the announcement where Bitcoin wasn't going to be accepted by Elon Musk and Tesla. So we saw it go from $6 all the way to highs here of about $15 or so, because we were looking for a greener coin, and EOS is definitely a greener coin, as well as some of the other coins we've talked about in the past, like Polygon obviously is another greener coin that we're keeping on our radar. So it went to $15 or so, and now we went from $15 all the way back to $3.75. So huge pullback. Obviously, we're trading back at levels we were trading at in March, but that is okay. That market cap is very low at 3.4 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 668 million. And then obviously EOS is a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with the new EOS, effectively substituting inflation for transaction fees, guys. So EOS is definitely an interesting coin, a greener coin, and that is something we want for the future because we are transitioning into that greener space. Obviously, we don't want to destroy our Earth. We want to keep it, for the next generation and the generation after that. So EOS, definitely another altcoin to add to your radar, guys, to see how it's going to perform in the next 10 to 20 years. Now, coming into number 4 spot, we have Cosmos, also known as Atom. So this coin, or this token, was very, very popular a few months ago. A lot of people started to get into Cosmos. It's definitely an interesting one, trading at around $10 right now, hitting lows down here earlier at $9.43, so it's up about 3% or so. Market cap, once again, very low at 2.1 billion. So most of these coins have been under 5 billion so far on our list. Volume in the past 24 hours at 173.9 million. And then obviously, Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team's aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof-of-stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward, guys. So you can stake your Atom, get more Atom. That is actually one thing that we love about cryptocurrency, the staking part. It's pretty much like you're locking in like a bank CD type situation, and you can't touch it until, that time period exits, but you get a, nice little interest on it, so you can get, 2%, 3%, 5%, 10%, depending on what the time period is that you're locking in that coin. So you're basically staking it away, which is definitely something that I like to see, especially for any long-term investors that are holding their coins for the next, decade or so. Definitely staking would be something that I would look into if I was you and do some research on, because it's very interesting what it can, the amount of gains you can make. So in the past week, this one's down 16%. On the 1 month chart, 30%. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin's up over 300% as it was trading at $247. Hit highs here of over $24, $32 at one point. So we've cut about 60% of our, profits since then, since May. So we have, pulled back down pretty much to where we were at the beginning of 2021, which is obviously interesting because this is just like a Black Friday sale. We see a discount, obviously. Now we can buy these coins at a cheap level for the future. So anybody that missed out on the, potential rally in the past, and you think that, these altcoins are going to continue to boom in the future, definitely a good buying opportunity, obviously, with Cosmos, also known as Atom. And then we have our fifth altcoin, another low market cap, coin, 2.6 billion market cap right now. It's going to be AAVE. So AAVE is trading at $201. It was trading at 183 earlier, up about 3% for the 24-hour chart. 1 week, 26% down. 1 month, 45% down. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin was trading around 51 cents, guys. It went from 51 cents all the way to highs here of over $670 at one point. Massive gains have been made with this coin for anybody that got in on this coin, obviously, because if you invested $1,000 at 10,000%, that would be 10 grand. So $1,000 invested with this one at 38,000%, you'll be up around $38,000 right now with AAVE, as it has made some crazy gains in the past year or so. And this is what I'm talking about, these low cap, altcoins, because they're so cheap, they have a lot of potential to run. So if you guys, find one that is a decent one for the future, you could make some decent gains, obviously. So AAVE is an Ethereum token that powers AAVE, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So AAVE is definitely one of our greener coins, once again, that had a pop here all the way to 670, then a pullback. So another coin that I'm definitely keeping an eye out on to see how it's going to perform in the next few years. So guys, those are the 5 altcoins. Now let's get into the other coins to see how they're performing. But if you're still watching this video, subscribe and smash that like button, guys. So Doge is up about 3.7%. Last time we talked about it, was trading around 24 cents. Hit highs here of about 26.5 cents, almost 27 cents at one point on Sunday night. So it's trading at 26 cents right now. Market cap is at 33 billion with Doge right now. Obviously on the 1 year chart, still up over 10,900%. So for any long-term investors, you have nothing to worry about. For any newer investors that got in around the April time period, you're pretty much breaking even right now, unless you bought at the top, obviously. So unless you bought at the top, you're doing pretty good even with Doge right now, as it is performing pretty decent, but we're very far away from that $1 goal that people are setting for Doge and thinking that it's going to get to, obviously. So now let's get into Ethereum. Ethereum is up about 5%. So this one was trading around at 1800 low, and then we continue to go higher and higher, actually almost hitting 2000 at one point here on Sunday night. So market cap is at 215.3 billion. And then if we take a look, obviously on the 1 month chart, it is down to 28%. And then on the 1 year chart, it's still up about 800% or so, trading at 227 a year ago, hitting those highs of 4,400 like we said. But we're still trading at decent prices, where we were in April, pretty much around that 2,000 area, which is good because, from April to May, we had a huge rally with Ethereum, which was ridiculous, obviously. So these prices are more realistic for Ethereum right now. It's a little bit of a cool off. We're cooling off, and then hopefully we'll explode on higher towards the end of 2021 and make some new, all-time highs potentially with Ethereum and continue that bull run. That's what we're going to be hoping for, obviously, with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is up about 4.5%. This one was trading around 32,000 the last time we talked about it. Now it's closer to that 35,000 area. That's what the high that we hit actually on Sunday night around 9 p.m. Eastern time. Now right here, market cap is 649.6 billion. So volume is pretty nice, 35.3 billion right now. Bitcoin is, booming on higher a little bit. No, so we did see those lows at around 28,000 or so on June 22nd, and ever since we bounced off of that area, we've been continuing on higher. So what we're going to be looking forward to this week is for it to break through the 40,000 area. We need to break through that 42,000 area for it to continue to go higher and higher. That is the resistance area we're looking for, and potentially start of a new bull run once we break through that 40,000, 42,000 area. And obviously, as the large cap coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum trend on higher, that is when we'll see the other coins start to trend on higher as well. And the altcoins tend to go up even harder and faster, obviously, compared to Bitcoin. So like we said, we saw the list, guys. You guys saw how it's performing, and we saw some big gainers down here, especially with the internet computer. This one is booming, almost 50%. So that is an insane one, and we talked about that one on Sunday. So if you guys watched that video, like we said, you guys could have made some decent gains on that coin. Now, as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for just educational purposes, guys. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. Now, as always, guys, if you enjoyed, smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $2,300, there's going to be a link in the description. Leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency are you buying right now? Is the bull run starting right now or not? And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.